Hi Aquarius. Okay, let's see what messages we have for you that you need to hear. Let's see here. Aquarius, please. What do they need to hear? Okay. We have Crow Spirit. Co-create with Spirit. Okay, so there's definitely something that needs to be creative here. That you need to co-create with Spirit, maybe taking a deep dive into what it is that you actually want to do here, what you actually want to create. You know, really letting your intuition be your guide, letting Spirit be your guide with what it is that you need to do in order to go forward on the path that you're supposed to be taking here. Maybe, yeah, co-creating with Spirit is like finding that guidance. Let's see here, the guidance that you need for the path that you need to take. So, messages for Aquarius, please. Okay, we have answers. Yep, yeah, that goes right along with co-create with Spirit, right? Getting the answers that you need by asking, by being open to those intuitive hits that you were getting in order to go in the way that you need to go, on the path that you need to be going on. Yeah. Let's see here. What does Aquarius need? Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. Well then. Okay, so right off the bat, we have the Devil, and then we have the Sun, and then we have the Page of Swords, and the Knight of Cups as the underlying energy. So, yeah. Okay, so with this Devil, I feel like with the Devil and the Sun right next to each other here, this is what I'm getting. Devil on one shoulder, an angel on the other, right? The devil on your shoulder is your ego telling you that whatever it is that you are wanting to do, you can't do it. It's not gonna work. This isn't what you're supposed to be doing because nobody else is doing it, or you're like, I don't know, or you're scared to do it. It's whatever it is that you're wanting to do might be scary, but this little devil on your shoulder here is telling you not even to go for it, because why? You're just gonna fail anyway, which is not true. So the angel on your shoulder, the Sun, this is super happy. This is telling you to go for it. The Sun, the happiness, is Spirit. It's Spirit and your intuition telling you to go for whatever it is that you are wanting to go for here. I feel like you have been looking for some answers, and because of these two little people here, you're super confused. And yeah, our egos can get in the way and make us totally confused because we aren't listening to our intuition, because our ego's like, whoa, wait, this is what I think. And you kind of just need to tune that out, and go with those small little nudges that you feel, or that, a lot of times it can be like a gut feeling, or just, it could even be like a thought that pops into your head and you're like, wait, what? No, don't dismiss it. Actually, kind of, I don't know, what's the word I'm looking for? Don't dismiss it. Examine it. What is that thought? What is it? Why did you have that thought? Maybe that's Spirit telling you what you need to do to be on the path that you need to take here. With this Knight of Cups, underlying energy, I feel like there's gonna be some sort of, whatever is coming towards you is something that you are going to totally love, that you have a ton of emotion for. I feel like it's coming, in a very compassionate way, and that it's probably something that you have been thinking about for a really long time, and it's kind of finally happening. Page of Swords. You know, maybe there is some sort of message that is coming through here pretty quickly with these answers. You know, I feel like this message, you know, like sometimes spirit can work through other people too. You know, it doesn't have to be like just like the intuitive nudges or whatever. It could be a person. It could be somebody around you where you're like, wait a second, what did you just say? I feel like that's the answer I was looking for. You know, like even if it's just something that they say in passing, and you're like, wait a second, you know, it like puts a light bulb in your head here, and then you are getting the answers that you need in order to co-create with spirit. So, okay, so that is what I have for you. I hope that helped a little bit, and until next time, lots of love to you.